I'm able to compensate, and nobody can really tell, but...
Compensation!
No. No.
Welcome to the set. My name is CJ. Right over there's Nate. Right over there's Ethan. And right over there is the man who loves Full House.
Whoa.
Whatever happened to predictability?
The milkman, the paperboy, the evening TV.
Cut it out. I love you, people.
You know how many times I've made a spatchcock chicken on a smoker?
How many times?
0 times. We're gonna try it today, folks. Let's see what
Flying
happens.
blind.
It's gonna be absolute chaos, but maybe it'll be good.
I'm guessing you'll get. I'm guessing you'll.
Can we just stop for a second before we start and take a gander at this sexy, beautiful unit right over here?
Dang.
Dude, the LED panel, the awesome shelves,
I love
the
the
beautifully
color, too.
seasoned. Yeah, it looks like a
I had to
Ford Bronco.
collaborate and listen.
Ice is back with a brand new invention.
Something.
Grabs a hold of me tightly.
Oh. Nope.
Daily.
Don't have it.
No.
Will it ever stop? Yo, I don't know.
That applewood smells unbelievable.
So, for real, I have never.
Did we say the temperature?
We're at
420.
420. Sorry. I have never cooked.
Oh man, talk about toasted.
And we're back. Spatchcocking a chicken. I have spatchcocked a chicken before, but I did it in the oven. I've never done it in this.
So you're familiar
Sense.
with the process.
I'm familiar with the process.
Be the butcher.
You got to be the
The
butcher.
butcher.
So some key component for me, get some nice shears here. And we're looking for the spine, and essentially we're removing the spine. So if you happen to be amazing and
I like
you
this
can just
sound.
use a knife,
I wanna
go
hear
for
it.
it. Oh
Like it.
yeah.
Do it again. Yep.
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 Yep. More. A little bit.
Beauty.
A little bit. And we're gonna do the same thing to the other side here. Oh,
Oh.
gross chicken stuff. Ignore that. This little guy. It's actually a.
You can break it open a little bit more now to get more access. Or
Could.
You know what?
All right, I'm just gonna do me.
You do you.
That's what I'm
Boo.
gonna do. Boo. It's honestly it's not that complicated, and you don't have to do this. Spatchcocking a chicken, I could be wrong, but it's essentially it's just gonna speed up my cooking time.
Yeah, it also gives for even cooking. So essentially, you've gotten rid of this air pocket on the inside. Let me get my focus.
Yep.
And when you press it down,
Yeah.
press the ribs to the sides. Do you do that move?
Hold on, not yet. Yep. I'm gonna leave that open. We're gonna break this back.
Okay, let's see.
Baby, break back. Yep. Did you hear it?
One little trick.
Subtle.
Hey, flip it back over real quick. Oh, that was good.
You can't tell by the way I use my walk. I'm a woman's man, no time to talk. Words it loud.
Grab your knife, and there's a keel bone right in here. It's basically like where the wishbone would be.
Uh-huh.
Just pop your knife, right in the center, right in the dead center. Give it a knife, like the back butt of your knife, and give it a hack.
What?
Yeah, the back part of your edge, just a hack.
Oh, jeez.
You got like this, like the back part of your knife. You
Yeah.
hack.
Oh, like chop it.
Yeah, a little harder. Yep. Now push the bones out to the sides, and you'll see it open up.
Oh!
Push down flat on that.
Wow.
Yeah.
Whoa!
There we go.
Wow.
Now you can flip her
Okay.
and give it another press. Now we're nice and.
Okay. All right.
Thanks for the tip, Andy.
Oh my God.
You do want a dry surface. I do know that.
Truth.
I need a rack.
Nelson.
Set that there.
All right.
And
This works.
yeah, this works. All right. Now, Andy, you could also get your
No.
assistance. Would you pop the lid off of that seasoning?
Are you-
No, not all the way off.
Any oil or butter on the surface?
Yes.
Are you sure about that?
I'm trying not to cross-contaminate all the
friends.
chicken little dollop here. All right, that's
Oh,
good.
okay.
Okay. All right. We're cruising along here. All right, now let's season generously. I'm gonna open up the arms here so you can get inside there. And the seasoning that we're using today, we've got our boy Meat Streak here.
Nice.
Love you, Shane.
Shane, love you. Your cluck dust, I somehow lost an entire bottle of seasoning. I don't know how I did it, but I did. Hey, let's flip it over too.
Oh yeah, definitely get that bone side.
Yeah, season away. Be generous. Love her.
Ethan,
Love
does that
her.
remind you of anything?
What?
No. Oh. Alien.
What?
Yeah, it looks like a face hugger.
Oh.
Oh, I want to show this trick.
Yeah, I was gonna do it and
The half
show it.
Nelson.
Is that what we'd call it?
That's what I called it.
Oh, okay.
It's just nice.
It's
for
just a fun presentation, right?
Yeah, that
So you get your little flap there,
I know.
fold it under,
Oh,
and
you gotta fix that. Where's the
yeah,
seasoning?
I know.
Seasoning assistant.
I was taking off my glove, so we could go. Yeah, you can be
Get
aggressive.
after it. Get after
you can
it.
be aggressive.
Well, I was
beefy,
aggressive last time and I got yelled at.
Oh, I'm sorry.
who
Yeah,
yelled
cover
at
that bird. Cover that bird. Over here too. Over here too.
Okay.
Hurry,
Over
hurry,
here.
hurry, hurry, hurry.
Over there too.
Okay,
Over there too. Over there too.
Okay.
All right, we're good. Let's go to my oven. Oh, look at that.
I'm coming over there.
So we got set at
Oh, we gotta
420, and we're just going in. Guys have never done this before.
We're going in.
We're going in. Hurry, hurry, hurry! Oh,
gotta angle
don't
it in.
even tell me it's
Put it in
upside
backward.
down.
No, it's backward.
It's upside down.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, it's upside down.
Oh, no.
Andy, you had one job.
This isn't Andy's fault.
Because I don't know. Oh, Andy, will you grab it and flip it, shoot it, and kaboot it? Let's go like that. Yeah, it's good. See, like
A glove.
a glove, sort of. Yep, there it is. Shutting the door,
First time using this thing?
keeping out the devil. Whew. I really need a ring it and bring it moment.
All right.
That was a lot of work.
See you in an hour and 20-ish?
Probably more than an hour, I'm guessing.
Let's check in an hour.
Okay. So one of the things that makes this unit awesome, which I neglected to use, probes.
Probes, man.
Probes.
Are you gonna probe us? Why does everyone always assume that? What am I doing? Am I harvesting farts?
Let's go. We're gonna go on the fattiest part of the chicken.
Yeah.
Right there. And then, oh, sorry, Ethan. We're gonna shut this guy. And I guess we're off to the races.
There we go.
We'll see in an hour.
Maybe.
Or
Yeah,
ish.
we'll check back every
What I'm going for is 165 internal,
Nice.
and then I'm gonna pull it.
beauty.
1 hour later.
So we've had, it's just about an hour that this chicken, this bird, this beautiful,
It's a beautiful bird.
delightful, what are the, yard bird?
Yeah,
Is that what
yard bird.
yard bird? It's been cooking. Dude, the crust, we've checked on this every now and then. So gorgeous. Now we're almost at the very end here. I've got some asparagus. Gonna chop off the bottom, getting that on the Blackstone with a little bit of oil. Season with a little salt and pepper, a little garlic powder, also because it's delicious and it's colorful and it'll look amazing. I've got these little cherry tomatoes on the vine.
Nice.
It is divine.
I like that lemon trick too. You didn't even mention.
See what I
that.
did there?
Oh, divine.
Yep. Yeah, the
Has a
lemon.
tomato.
Lemon's juice will caramelize and actually get sweeter when it has a little bit of time to hang out on the Blackstone.
Fun.
So speaking of which, are we ready to pull?
Yeah,
Dude,
let's do this.
let's open the barn door. Let's reveal this beauty.
Big test is the crust test.
Well, you tell me.
Crispy.
Crispy crust. Dude, this is actually money in the bank. Now, I'm not like, this is not like my jam with cutting a
Easy.
bird.
It's not hard. You've already done
So,
all the hard work by getting rid of the backbone.
Should be tender. All right, I'm gonna start slicing
Leg and
right
thigh
here.
together.
Yes, all right, so we're gonna pull here. Dude, this is coming apart beautiful. Dude,
Look
look how
your attempts. You nailed it.
tender and juicy.
Nailed.
All right, we've got, all right, so, but the wings, are the wings any different?
Wingos?
Is it a different?
Oh yeah, but you have to be careful of that first joint, unless you want to.
You know what, should I do the breast first?
Sure.
Okay, let's do the breast first. So I'm gonna,
Thanksgiving morning.
so I'm gonna find that bone. Andy, those veggies are looking amazing. What am I doing,
get
solid?
assistant. Good
Yeah, buddy.
Good lord.
There we go. Why don't you just, come over here to the
Well, it's
bottom of
family
this
style.
right over here. Yeah, let's just, right
here?
right over here, right over here.
Nice.
Yeah, nice. Okay, so I found the bone, and I am slicing off here. This is the part that I've never been really great at.
Look at that juice, guy.
But I am loving what's happening here.
We'll work
Okay,
on
there
the
we go.
butchering. We'll work on the butchering skills later.
Wait, why am I butchering it?
It's fine.
See what I did there?
it?
All right, so I'm not the best at this.
That's pretty good.
It's pretty good. Pretty good. Okay,
It's
here we go.
strong. It's quite strong.
Almost. Maybe. Am I? Dude, it.
So
okay.
the thighs were flawless.
Okay.
Maybe
And
pull
the
a little sooner
breast
next time.
is not flawless,
Not
is what you're
cooperating.
saying. Okay. It's my first cooking show. Give me a
Smells
break.
Fantastic. It looks gorgeous, dude.
All right, so I got some leftover stuff down there.
This isn't bad. This isn't bad.
This
at
isn't
all.
bad.
This does not look like a first spatchcock chicken.
Oh, that's a good sign then.
No. Yeah,
No?
I mean, yes. Yes, it is.
No. Okay, I don't know what I'm gonna do with those wings, bro.
You can cut them off at the
I
drumming.
feel like I'm butchering. Oh wait,
I know what I'm doing with them.
oh, popped right off. There we go.
It's for chicken salad.
Shut up.
That's why.
Aw,
It's for chicken wings.
it's for chicken wings. Aw.
Oh, look how juicy.
Dude. Okay.
Dark meat, you nailed. You nailed.
You nailed. Did we though?
Yes.
Okay.
You're done.
You're done. No,
Yeah.
that's not good. Wait, is it good?
Dude, that's gonna be crazy hot. Muscle hands.
It is.
You've been watching The Bear?
Yes.
I can tell.
Thank you.
Made your hands strong.
Yeah, once you say this, say yes, chef. I'm so tough. Yes, chef. I'm so tough.
Here's what we got. So we're gonna do a little lemon juice on our asparagus.
Do
We're
it.
gonna
Yeah.
do some of that lemon juice on our chicken.
Oh.
And here's what we got right over here. We're gonna do a little
Post
post
dust
dust,
with the lemon pepper.
lemon peppercorn.
So good.
And then let's just set this up and make it look all nice and pretty like.
That kind of like this board style.
This is kind of
I
money.
feel like if I had a big party, this might be what I would do.
This could work.
Let me cut up like smaller portions, maybe.
Yes.
But everyone would grab a plate.
And pills are good. We'll go with it. It's not the most beautiful thing in the world.
I don't know, dude.
I mean, it does look beautiful.
It looks gorgeous. We're slightly on the.
But honestly,
I would not complain about that at all.
I don't know that it's over caramelized. Well, I guess we're gonna see. I love like
Citrus.
Citrus?
And roasted chicken.
Oh my goodness. All right, you know what?
What?
I'm a wings kind of guy.
Yeah, that's true.
Let's go. Let's try it.
I like mine boneless though.
We love it.
Where you go? Where are you going? You alright?
I am.
Chicken breast! And I'm finally contributing to society!
Oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
dude. That's I think also a good sign, right? It just tears apart.
Yes. Wow.
Give me some of that lemon juice. Give me that juice, eh?
That's beautiful.
Yeah. So we were at 420, and could have gone down to 400.
Yeah, I think so.
Maybe that would have helped with the skin. Maybe it's a little extra crispy, but
It would have helped.
I kind of like it. But
It would have helped with this breast.
the asparagus I haven't tried yet, but I know it's going to be delicious because I crush asparagus.
Yeah, veggies went fast.
Let me know how I did in the comments down below. Would you try spatchcock? Because I did for the first time,
Nailed it.
and I think I nailed it. But speaking of comments, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
We climbed the summit. We traversed
Mount
the
Everest.
mountain. We crushed it. First spatchcock in the books.
Apparently,
The process is strictly divided by the molecular structure. You made it to the segment of the show where we screenshot comments from you, the viewers.
That we
Because if
do.
you guys write it,
We read it.
that's right, we have a whole lot of fun with it. So starting from the top, in no particular order. This first one comes in from, let's make sure. Yep, it comes in from Rob, not a number.
Hey, Rob, not a number.
Says, can we have a, quote, CJ and Karina show?
Oh, fun.
That would be awesome, because we had a ton of fun cooking together, hanging out.
Such a good cook.
She's such a good cook, and she's so goofy.
She's silly and funny, but she is a really skilled cook.
Like, very, very skilled.
Wow, that was good. Let me
I
try
know.
it.
I caramba.
Karina. Yeah?
Yeah?
Okay, this next one comes in from Allen's6767.
Yeah, one's
Says, Nate missed this event, or Nate missed the event. Too bad he didn't miss this taping. He needs to shut the front door up on your show. Makes it difficult to watch.
take it easy, Snape. Alan Rickman.
Mm,
He died, didn't he?
he's passed on.
He's a great actor.
Fantastic.
Did he leave a comment?
He did. He said, why a spoon, cousin?
Because it would have hurt more.
That's exactly
It's
right.
pretty good.
Yeah. Oh, that was on the fly.
Yeah.
Kind of impressed with
Thanks,
myself.
Alan. Alan.
This next one comes in from
You can't do that.
from Five Fedrum.
P5
Gesundheit says, wait, what? Nate no longer has a show to watch? What happened? I was looking forward to seeing both of these shows. 2 different formats, 2 different personalities. Yeah. It's only been like 2 years.
P5O, I'm glad he likes my recipes. They didn't rhyme.
P5O fum. I smell the blood of an Englishman.
Let's bring it back.
Be he alive or be he dead, I'll crush his bones to make my bread. Huh?
Pretty good.
Thank you, sir.
Feedy, fighty, floaty.
This last one comes in from Smokestone, our homeboy.
Here we go.
And Griddle Crew. He said, CJ was so vocal. Oh, and by the way, this comment comes in on the Hot Ones episode.
Nice.
Said CJ was so vocal about hating it. But man, Nate couldn't even concentrate.
They were hot. It was no joke.
Him's just got a widow guy power.
Whoa. Of the 2 of us.
3-5-4-4.
What? I think it's common
Him's got the palate of a little guy.
Right?
Guy. I don't know. Yeah.
Perhaps.
I'm not so sure. My mind seems to be misfiring. Yeah.
Oh, sorry I'm late. There was trouble at the lab with the running and the exploding and the crying. One of the monkeys stole the glasses off my head.
All right, my friends, that is how we wrap up an episode of CJ's first cooking show. This was a fun one. The only thing that is, it's not even a problem, it's just, it took an hour.
Yeah. And you forgot a major portion.
What?
What did I do?
The best part of your whole show?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Sam!
Oh man, no, if this turkey breast, it would have been much better if it wasn't burnt so much. It would have been so much nicer. It feels like I could be invisible. Oh.
Yeah. Where did Ethan go? Ethan?
If you're still there,
I hear him.
Yell out loud.
What? What is going on?
My hat's floating.
Anyways, did you know that... Oh, man, this whole segue's messed up. I was gonna do it on John Cena because camouflage, because you can't see me.
Because that makes...
Anyways, to help his nerves, he will eat Tic Tacs before wrestling, and he's been said to eat 5 boxes before a match.
Of Tic Tacs?
Yeah, to help like soothe himself.
Those ones are empty calories.
Oh my gosh.
Just go ahead and ring it and bring it though.
Live like John Cena with a terrible fact.
Man.
Now we can end the show properly.
I guess we can. But before we do, I've got Harry Evans and family sent me this really amazing note about he's an EMT, a firefighter, a volunteer firefighter, all those things. Hold on, there's tax right over here. So my friend, I'm gonna do, let's do this one right here.
Okay.
And we are gonna put it right over Andy. And you know what?
What?
We might as well put it
Why
right
are there so many Andys?
over Andy.
It's like the opposite of Where's Waldo, because it's all
we
Andy.
see Waldo everywhere, and there's an Andy right there.
It's a little rude.
Okay, I feel better about that board.
Yeah.
Thanks guys so much for hanging out. For this recipe, go to blackstoneproducts.com. Go to griddlenation.com to get swag, t-shirts, and other things. Also, be sure to check out all the other shows on the network. There are so many fun episodes that you can watch with other people. Not me. Definitely not Nate, because he doesn't have a show. Remember that.
Really?
But in the meantime, this is CJ's first cooking show where we cook.
And we quote.
That's right.
Oh.
Don't do it.
There it is.
There it is.
Also, Smoking Griddle Boys. Dankeschön. Smoking Griddle Boys. Dankeschön. Thank you for Central Park and Fall. When you tore your dress, what a mess. I confess, Shane, you're the best.
Nice.
Dankeschön. Okay.
Okay.